So, hey guys, welcome back to our chapter that is metals and non-metals in foundation batch. So, I hope everything is good and you all are doing well and your studies are also up, right? So, with this I will start the session. Okay? So, as we are doing metals and non-metals in our batch, we have already done so many things in it. So we know कि what are the common places where the minerals are found and all the things you I think you might have by hearted it along with the sessions. If you have not seen those sessions of mine, I request you to please go through it. Then only you will be able to understand this. Any which ways, we'll start this session. So metals and non-metals में we are on the topic now named ores. So what is an ore? We need to understand what is ore. ठीक है? So ore is nothing but something which you can say is like minerals only, but the concentrated form. So how we will be writing? See why I write each and everything, because I just want you guys to remember each and every point. If you remember the points, then only you will be able to write in your exams for boards and take out the MCQs for your foundation series, right? So let's start with the ores. तो ओर्स क्या होते हैं? ओर्स आप कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ मिनरल कह सकते हो. तो इसको अगर मैं पॉइंट दूँ तो पहला पॉइंट होगा द मिनरल्स फॉर्म्स from which metals can be obtained on a commercial scale, right? That is what I was saying, that is concentrated, यानी कि मेटल का क्वांटिटी इस मिनरल में ज़्यादा होना चाहिए तभी वो आपके किसी काम का है. कॉमर्शियल स्केल में अगर मतलब अच्छा प्रॉफिटेबल अमाउंट आप उसमें से निकाल सकते हो मेटल्स का, तभी आपके ये किसी काम का होगा और उसी को हम ओर कहते हैं. ठीक है? आर कॉल्ड ores, right? So this is the very simple definition of ore. I think I might have earlier also told you in live classes also कि अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि ये मिनरल्स हैं. मिनरल्स मतलब जितना भी हमको फाइंडिंग्स मिलता है रॉक्स जिसके अंदर ओर है, जिसके अंदर मेटल्स हैं, सो सॉरी, जिसके अंदर मेटल्स है, अगर मैं वो सबको बोलूँ कि ये मिनरल है, ठीक है, तो इन पूरे में से कुछ ऐसा भी होगा जो ऑलरेडी कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में है, उसे हम ओर कहते हैं. तो सभी ओर को आप मिनरल कह सकते हो, ठीक है, लेकिन सभी मिनरल्स को आप ओर इसलिए नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि सभी कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में नहीं होते. ठीक है? सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट. सो विल राइट दैट ऑल्सो. That is the definition in one more way so that you can remember it. ठीक है? So the second definition I can say, in other words, the minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably are called ore. ores. ठीक है? So you can say there are two types of minerals of aluminium. As an example I can give you here. For example, there are two minerals, है ना? एल्यूमिनियम का ही. वन इज योर बॉक्साइट ओर, बॉक्साइट मिनरल, बॉक्साइट, जिसमें यू हैव फॉर्मूला एज Al2O3 dot 2H2O. So this is your bauxite ore. ठीक है. And the second one is your clay. Clay is also an mineral of aluminium. So the formula for this is Al2O3 dot 2SiO2 dot 2H2O. So you can see here that there is excess impurities in this. ठीक है. So in clay, so the profitable amount of aluminium can be extracted from bauxite, which can be seen easily. So that is why we can say कि bauxite can be considered as the mineral which is basically used for commercial purpose, right? So the extraction from this will be more. ठीक है. Also bauxite that is chiefly used to obtain aluminium commercially. So that is why bauxite can be your commercial mineral. So clay you cannot use for commercial purpose. ठीक है. So thus as we I'll just write here that as bauxite can be used for commercial purpose. Used commercially. Why commercially? Because I am taking out profitable amount of ore, aluminium from it. ठीक है. So therefore we can define, thus we can define few more sentences, or we can say few more points regarding the same, that is, which I said already here, that is, all ores are minerals but all minerals are not ores, are not ores. ठीक है. And second thing which we can say about this is, an ore is rich in amount of metal. So ore is the concentrated form, is the concentrated form of mineral. True. Now it simply means कि जो impurities है that is very less. So you just need to remember that the foreign material or the impurities are low. ठीक है. So you can write here that that is the impurity are very low in ores. So up till now what we have seen, few simple things, that is what is ore. So we have defined ore. ore क्या है? ये वो मिनरल है जिसमें से मेटल्स प्रॉफिटेबली एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जा सकता है या कॉमर्शियल स्केल पे एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जा सकता है. सो आई हैव गिवन टू डेफिनेशन टू इट. द फर्स्ट कॉमर्शियल एक्सट्रैक्शन, सेकेंड प्रॉफिटेबल एक्सट्रैक्शन. सो विल जस्ट राइट हियर metals obtained commercial scale, and in this metals extracted profitably. ठीक है. anything can be used. both these are the example of aluminium mineral. ठीक है. so Remember this. So out of these two, we have bauxite as the commercial mineral. As you can see, this mineral can give you profitable amount of ammonia. That is, bauxite can give you profitable amount of ammonia as compared to clay. As clay is having a lot of impurities, I can see here only कि यहाँ पे SiO2 है, तो it can be removed by making slag and etc. But still जो concentration of aluminium है, it is less as compared to bauxite, है ना. तो क्ले में कम है, इसीलिए एक्सट्रैक्शन प्रॉफिटेबल या कॉमर्शियल एक्सट्रैक्शन बॉक्साइट से ही हो सकता है. साथ ही वी हैव सीन कि ऑल ओर्स, सभी ओर्स को हम मिनरल्स कह सकते हैं, पर सभी मिनरल्स को हम ओर नहीं कह सकते. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट कि ओर क्या है, एक कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म है. इसका मतलब है कि उसमें इम्प्योरिटीज़ कम होंगी. राइट. सो आई होप आप लोगों ने ये देख लिया है और अभी तक में स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया होगा या क्लिक कर लिया लिख लिया होगा. तो विल जस्ट मूव टू दी टाइप्स ऑफ ओर कि कौन कौन से टाइप ऑफ ओर हैं, एंड देन द प्रोसेस दैट इज मेटलर्जी. So let's see the different types of ore. I guess this is visible here, right? Fine. So different types of ores. ठीक है. So what are the different types of ores you can find? So basically you have a lot of different type, like somewhere around you can say very basic is 6 type of ore, and out of whichever is commercial for a particular element is used for extraction. So the very first type is your oxide ore. Oxide ores. ठीक है. So what all elements you'll get here in oxide ore, we'll see them. ठीक है. So the very first element over here is your copper. Copper आपको oxide ore के form में मिलेगा. Then you have aluminium which is there in oxide form. ठीक है. Aluminium. Along with that you have zinc, tin, zinc, then tin, then you have iron, etc. Iron, etc. ठीक है. That occurs as oxides. Oxides के form में you get it. ठीक है. Then the second one is your sulfides. ठीक है. You have the second type of ore as sulfide ore. Sulfide ore. And these ores you can find the metals such as silver, copper, zinc. Silver, copper, zinc, mercury, lead, then iron, etc. occur as sulfides. ठीक है. Then you have third type of ore, that is your carbonates. ठीक है. तो carbonate like calcium carbonate you find, oxides like cupric oxide, aluminium oxide, etc. Then sulfides like FeS, ठीक है, and ZnS blend, etc. you can find over here. The third one, as I said, it is your carbonate ore. So you just need to remember which all metals can be found in which type of ore. ठीक है. हालांकि this is not so important as per the exam point of view, but you should know about it. Then only your base will be there. ठीक है, कि किसको कितना लिखना है, किसका इम्पोर्टेंस, किस ओर का इम्पोर्टेंस कहाँ होगा, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. तो कार्बोनेट्स में यू हैव सोडियम, ठीक है, सोडियम, कॉपर, calcium, you have magnesium, then you have zinc, lead, then iron, etc. occurring in carbonate form, occurs as carbonates, ठीक है. So you have so many different metals which are found in carbonate ore, ठीक है. Then you have sulfates, ठीक है. So there is a sulfide and a sulfate. Sulfide is nothing but जिसमें सिर्फ सल्फर हो. Sulfate means SO4 हो, ठीक है. तो sulfide we have seen. The next one is sulfate, ठीक है. तो जो सल्फेट ओर्स है वो कैसे होते हैं या कौन कौन से मेटल्स इसमें होंगे, तो आपके सोडियम आएंगे इसमें, सल्फेट ओर्स में सोडियम, देन कैल्शियम, देन you have magnesium, you have, then you have lead, etc. occurs as sulfates, ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट यू कैन से हेलाइड्स. हेलाइड के भी फॉर्म में यू हैव दिस ओर, ठीक है. तो व्हाट आर हेलाइड्स? ठीक है. तो हेलाइड्स मीन्स और द ओर इन विच योर हैलोजन विल बी देयर, ठीक है. हैलोजन दैट इज ग्रुप 17. सो हेलाइड्स आर योर दोज मिनरल्स विच कंटेन्स halogens, ठीक है, along with the metal. So here you have sodium, then you have calcium, silver, etc. occur as halides, ठीक है. देन along with this you have phosphates also, ठीक है. So there is a phosphate ore also, ठीक है, or type of ore in the form of phosphates. So whenever there is phosphate you have to remember PO4, ठीक है, phosphates. So phosphates के लिए we have calcium, ठीक है, only. तो calcium occurs as phosphate, ठीक है. So you just need to remember very simple and very few things, that is कि there are different types of ores. Many element can be seen repeated here repeatingly, ठीक है. ऑक्साइड और आयरन इज देयर, Fe2O3, हेमाटाइट, है ना. देन यू हैव अगेन सल्फाइड, दैट इज FeS. यू कैन फाइंड आयरन हियर ऑल्सो इन कार्बोनेट. सो बट द मोस्ट commercial ore of iron is your hematite, ठीक है, which I think we have already discussed, right, in earlier sessions. So Fe2O3 or hematite is the more commercial ore which is basically used in industries for extracting minerals. So all these things are to be remembered. So देर आर ओर, मतलब ओर तो आपको बहुत टाइप में मिलेंगे, पर कौन सा कॉमर्शियल है ये पूछा जाता है, इसीलिए यू शुड नो द नेम्स ऑफ द ओर्स, ठीक है. नाउ I'll simply define what is metallurgy, and in the next session, we'll be definitely starting with it. वापस से we'll see the definition in the next session. But here, as I said, कि extraction of metal होता है. See, ये सारे ores में से you are going to remove metal. तो metallurgy is a branch. Metallurgy is a branch of chemistry that deals with extraction of metals via different processes, different physical and chemical processes, you can say, right? Physical and chemical processes from minerals, or you can say ores. So for this we just need to know the ore which is profitable for extraction, and hence we can easily find out, or we can easily extract a lot of this thing, metals from the profitable. और सी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रॉफिटेबल? प्रॉफिटेबल का मतलब जैसे कोई और है, कोई सी और क्या है, मिनरल क्या है, इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ रॉक, एंड वो रॉक में मेटल्स हैं, ठीक है. अभी मेटल्स हैं तो मेटल्स को निकालना पड़ेगा, है ना, उन रॉक में से. तो अगर मैंने सपोज एक पहाड़ जितना बड़ा रॉक लिया एंड उसमें से मुझे ग्राम 2 ग्राम सिर्फ गोल्ड मिला, तो उसमें जो मेरा खर्चा हुआ दैट विल बी मोर देन द प्रॉफिट आई अर्नड. तो इसीलिए अगर आपके पास मिनरल ऐसा है जिसमें मेटल की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है तभी वो प्रॉफिटेबल होगा, अदरवाइज वो प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होगा, ठीक है. सो आई थिंक अप टिल नाउ वट एवर आई हैव बीन टॉट टू यू इज़ वेरी क्लियर टू यू. सो इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन we'll be seeing the metallurgy and the different processes of metallurgy or the extraction of ore. So I hope this is very clear to you, all the things which I have taught to you, that is the ore, what is the definition of ore, what are the characteristic of ore, difference between ore and mineral, that is I have already told you. Then different types of ores we have listed here itself, and then the definition of metallurgy. So with this we'll take end to the session. We'll go to the end of the session and we'll wind up the session, and we'll meet in the next session with the topic metallurgy and its processes, right? So with this I'll take your leave. Bye bye, take care. Till then, study hard.